Hey everybody, it's Jason with Parallel Reality coming back to you here today with an article from Outkick dated October 25th. It looks like it was updated a few hours after on October 25th as well. And it is called Queens We Will Rock You Could Help Replace Insulin Injection. So at this point that you're listening to this, not from when I'm recording it, I am out of town. I have not brought my equipment with me. So I'm not going to be able to stay up on current events. So you get an article like this, which is just I think, a humorous sort of thing, pop culture-ish type thing that, we'll just have to fill the time before I come back from vacation. So let's get into this because I read this headline. I was like, say what now? Let's see what it says. It says researchers have been looking for ways to help those dealing with diabetes avoid insulin injections, and it seems like the key may lie in Queen's Seminole Stadium anthem "We Will Rock You." Specifically, the key is in specially bioengineered cells, but "We Will Rock You" helps. It says, as you probably know, insulin is an important hormone in converting food into energy and controlling blood sugar. People with diabetes don't produce enough of it and typically have to undergo insulin injections. A team of researchers in Switzerland wanted to find an easier way to give people the insulin they need. So they came developed. Okay, that's screwing me up. So they developed implantable insulin producing cells. How did they do this? Hell if I know. I have a degree in radio television. This is way above my pay grade. As far as I know, there's some kind of sorcery involved. So, fortunately for the rest of us, the folks at ETH Zurich got the job done. So, what makes these cells interesting is that the release of insulin can be controlled from outside the body via sound waves. This says some tunes work better than others. The team tested several different sounds and songs at various levels. According to the study, some of the findings were what you'd expect, like the fact that these cells would just as much listen to nothing as they would BBC News, which caused them to release the same amount of insulin as silence. But I don't know. How did they figure this out, though? I'm kind of confounded here. So after testing an array of songs, including For Elise, The Beatles, She Loves You, Eagles, not The Eagles, Hotel California, and the Johann Christoph Friedrich Bach banger, Sonata Number 6. I never heard any Bach thing referred to as a banger, but all right. This, however, new song got the cells to drop their insulin payload quite like We Will Rock You, the foot stompiest song of Queen's 1977 album News of the World. It's probably one of the foot stompiest songs of all time. Says there was no word on when they played "We Are the Champions" immediately after like a classic rock station would. As according to the study, the song worked best when played at 85 decibels, which is about as loud as a blender. It makes sense that a song like that would get cells grooving and coughing up insulin. However, it makes you wonder if it'd be possible to get the cells moving too much. Because what if we played one of the band's other songs, like Dragon Attack or Stone Cold Crazy, seem like they get the job done? What if it was Metallica's cover of Stone Cold Crazy? Would that be more insulin? How does that work? How do they react to cover songs by different bands? What if it was a grindcore band? Like, how would that do it? Do we know that? But then what? There we go. So if you tried something super heavy, would it be a problem to queue up Slayer's Raining Blood? Right, that would be hilarious. Is it too fast and bombastic for this sort of thing? These are the questions I have. I have those same questions. Because hopefully this is the first step in the development that would certainly help make a lot of people's lives much easier. So yeah, I just thought that was kind of kind of an interesting little article about just some random weird thing going on. So what do you guys think about this? If you have an opinion on this at all, I mean, hopefully, at some point we get something that replaces insulin injections to make everybody with diabetes life easier. So what do you think about this? What other songs would you suggest that the cells listen to? Let me know in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.